Welcome to my YouTube channel Ananta Janana. Before going to start my video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. It supports me to do more videos. In today's video, I am going to tell you what is Python, what can Python do, why Python, Python applications, benefits of Python, Python features, advantages and disadvantages of Python. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language and it is easy to learn for the beginners, and Python was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, software development and system scripting. What can Python do? Python can be used on the server side to create web applications. Python can also be used alongside software to create workflows, and it also connects to the database systems to read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Why Python? Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. Python has simple syntax similar to the English language. Python can be treated in procedural way, object-oriented way or a functional way. Python applications. Python can also be used in web applications, business applications, software development, enterprise applications, image processing applications, 3D CAD applications, console-based applications, audio or video-based applications. Benefits of Python. Python is extensively applied in data science, deep learning, machine learning, predictive analysis, advanced analytics, data analysis, data science, statistics, academic scientific research. Python features. Object-oriented, supports various programming languages, supports for interactive mode, robust standard libraries, free and open source, portable and extensible, automatic garbage collections. Advantages of Python. Free and open source, it is easy to learn, easy to code, great productivity, portability, interpreted language. Disadvantages: poor memory efficiency, slow speed, database access, weak in mobile computing, runtime errors, speed limitations. Thank you all. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.